hope he's not drawing a giant penis and balls on my windshield. We are getting teched in here at Ubly Dragway. We are here for Alternative Auto, Ubly Day. It's annual. Lid's been doing this for a long time, so we're getting teched in first, and we're gonna see what happens. Big wheelie out of the H2, so she's hooking. But I forgot to strap it.
Oh, you the rocket man! Carrying the mail, baby.
These tickets are so dim, I can't see them. Okay, 167, 60 foot. I forgot to strap it.
I don't know if I was slipping, if my clutch was slipping, or if I spun all the way.
Ooh. Dude, I got... Alright, 5 up here, everybody. We got the crew. We got Mikey on his turbo, GSXR 750. You all know this bike. And we got Trigger back here on a short wheelbase for you, Miles and Andy. Got the short wheelbase 2011 Bren tuned BMW. So we're going to be putting down some fast laps here, hopefully at Ubly Dragway, along with Alternative Auto. And there's another group here with a bunch of these crazy cars. But when you start seeing these street cars, you're going to know that it's an alternative car. Go down the track real nice and quiet. A lot of Chryslers that Lidio's done over there. A lot of Mustangs, obviously, because that's what he's known for. And we're going to rock and roll and see how fast we can go with these bikes. That was a handful of a run. This thing's hooking harder than it ever has, so it's going to take a little bit to get used to that.
908, man. That thing is amazing.
161, good mile an hour. 163, shitty 60 foot. Yeah, this is ideal. 66 degree inlet temps. So let's see whether I can knock out a decent damn time here. Ugh, some stinky stuff out here, but that is a beautiful 04 Mystic Chrome Cobra there. That car is absolutely gorgeous. So is that 2014 right up ahead of it too. I believe that's Larry's California Special. Full on race Firebird there.
Don't scare me like that.
890. Okay, we're getting there. 162. Our mile an hour is coming back. 158. Okay. Well, it all got better that pass. Definitely all the stars got to be aligned to get a really good pass. I really want to go 860s. And I think I can at this power level. I could feel the chain bunching up a little bit. It pulls a little bit of a wheelie. But I don't know. Let's see how I did. It's gonna be interesting.
Fucking ball in the mail, baby.
What'd it do?
Kicking ass.
Wait a minute. Is that an 870? Yeah, that's my fastest pass ever. That's why it felt good. 873 too. So I'm getting really, really close to my 860. 873 at 160, almost 163. So she needs cool down. I let her sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. Let it completely cool back down. And see whether I can do 2 more passes. So we are about to make another pass here. I have now gone, as you'll see earlier, 873 at almost 164 mile an hour. So I'm very excited to see whether I can narrow that run down to 860. Let's see what happens here, guys. I hope Mike has a good pass also, so this makes it more interesting. Got him by red lit on him, but he had a good pass. We're gonna see what the watchman says.